Hi Year 2, I hope you are having a really good day of learning at home. And today for maths, we're going to continue to practice telling the time. I know that you're getting really good. And we're going to think a bit more about how we tell the time on a digital clock. This clock with the clock face is called an analog clock. But the digital clock we've been looking at is where you just have the numbers, and you often see that on your phone or a computer screen, don't you? So let's warm our brains up. We're going to think about counting in fives because we're going to think about 5-minute intervals on our clock today. Are we ready? So I'm going to be moving the minute hand around the clock and showing you where the 5 minutes are, how we count in fives. If you remember, all these little lines are the minutes, and all together in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So we're going to think about counting in fives as we count around. So can you join in at home and count with me? Are we ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. That would be 1 hour. Let's do it once more. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Well done. So let's remind ourselves, we were looking at how we could write the digital time. So can you remember how we write half past and quarter past times as a digital to start with? So I am going to make a time on my clock. Can you tell your mum or dad with you, what time is my clock showing? That's right, it's 10:30. How would I write half past in digital time? What's the other way of saying half past? Do you remember? I would say it is 10:30. I always write the hour here and then the minutes. 10:30, because the minute hand has gone 30 minutes past. Let's check. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So when it's half past, we know that the minutes hands has always gone 30 minutes past the hour. Fantastic. Let's try another one. Can you tell me what time is showing on my clock now? Tell your mum or dad at home. Fantastic. That would be 8:30, we'd say, in the analog clock. How would we say that in digital time? Remember, we put the hour first and how many minutes past the hour? Well done. I'm sure you've all got it right at home. I can hear you from here in school. 8:30 would be 8:30. Fabulous. Let's make another time now. Remember, when my minute hand has gone just a quarter of the way past the hour, it points to the 3. So what time would that be on my clock? Fantastic, that would be 7:15. How many minutes has it gone past the hour if we start from o'clock? It's gone 5, 10, 15. So how would I say 7:15 in digital time? I would write it like this, wouldn't I? 7:15. Fabulous. Well done. Let's look at another example. I'm going to put my hour hand and my minute hands. Can you tell me the time here, Year 2? Well done. That would be 11:15. How would I say 11:15 using digital time? I have to put the hour first, so that is 11. And how many minutes past has it gone at 15:15? 15 minutes past. Wonderful. Well done. Now, at 1:45, remember, our minute hand is pointing to the 9. So that would be 1:45, 5, because it's not quite 5 o'clock yet. 5:15. How would I say that time in digital? I'm just going to rub my board clean. How would I say that time in digital? So it's not 5 o'clock yet, but how many minutes past 4 have we gone? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So 5:45 in digital time we would say is 4:45 because it's 45 minutes past 4 o'clock. Let's do another example of 1:45 time. What if my hands on my clock were showing 1:45? So has it got to 2 o'clock yet? No. How many minutes past 1 has it got when it's 1:45? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So we would say 1:45 is the same as 1:45. And we'd write it in digital like that. Well done. Now, as you are superstars at telling the time, let's have a try at some other times. So, let's imagine that is 2 o'clock. If I move my minute hand, pointing here, 5 minutes past, it's 5 minutes past 2. So to write that as digital, I would put the hour, which is 2, and I would say it's 2:05. I would write it like that. So 5 past 2 would be 2:05. Let's do another time. I'm going to move. Have a look at my clock now. Where's the hour hand pointing? Just after the 4. And how many minutes past 4 have we gone? 5 minutes. 10 minutes. So that would be 10 past 4. Can you think, how would I write 10 past 4 in digital time? Maybe you can pause the video and have a go at writing it. 10 past 4. So I would put the hour here, which is 4, and it's 10 minutes past. Well done. Let's do another example. So we need to look at the hour hand and how many minutes past the hour it's gone. Rub my board clean again. So I'm going to put my hour hand pointing to the 8, just after 8. And I'm going to put my minute hand pointing here to the 4. So I know that it's gone past 8 o'clock. How many minutes past 8 o'clock has it gone? 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes past 8. How would I write 20 past 8 in digital time? I would write the hour here and I'd write the minutes here. So I would say that time in digital is 8:20. Fantastic. I hope that you are feeling more confident with telling the time. What I would like you to do today is, if you've still got your paper plate clock, you can practice making some times on your clock. I'd also like you to play a game on the computer that I've put on Google Classroom, and you have to match the digital time with the analog time and see if you can find the matching times. The other thing I put on Google Classroom is you might want to play a bingo game with your family and see if you can match the digital times to the analog times. So I hope you have fun practicing telling the time. Let me know how you're getting on, and I'm really proud of all the hard work you're doing at home. Bye, Year 2. Have a great day.